Hi folks, how are you all doing today? So we are creating something using Playlab today. Okay, I think we've never used Playlab so far in our videos, right? So for the first time, I'm just gonna do something in the Playlab, and this is gonna be something fun and interesting. Okay, a small Playlab project we are creating today. So this should be interesting. So it's like a table generator project we are creating. Okay. So to create Playlab project, you just have to click on create. Okay. So then click on view all projects and then click on view full list. Just scroll down a little bit. Here you have stories with games with Playlab, stories and games with Playlab, sorry, right? So just click on Playlab here and you'll get a new Playlab project. Okay. So this is the empty Playlab project where you can start off creating any game or story, right? So this is going to be fun. Playlab is definitely fun where you can actually create multiple things on this games and stories. And yes, so there are a few characters which you can use. You can change those characters. You can play around those characters. Yeah, this will definitely be fun. Okay, so we're going to use so many blocks of Playlab today, and we're going to have fun, absolute fun, I must say. Okay, you're creating this table generator. Okay, so now, getting into this, before getting into this, I would just like to remind you all guys that please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, folks. If you're new here, okay. So also, if you're starting to watch any video, right? Please do watch the videos in sequence. If you're watching from playlists, right? So it is very easy for you to understand the content and the concept also. Okay. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you to watch all playlists to understand more and better, right? So there are a few individual playlists and there are a few connected playlists which have data, right? So yeah, this is all. And yeah, let's get started with our today's table generator thing, right? So I'm just gonna rename this as table generator. Save. I'm particular about that. Okay. So yes. Now, like you can see, there's a very plain background, right? So let's first go to actions, and you can actually set a background for your thing. So we have multiple backgrounds, cave, night, cloudy, and so on. So for table generator, tables are, I mean to say, math tables. Okay. So don't get confused with this. It's math table generator. Okay. So I hope hardcoat background should suit. Yeah, this is okay, right? Yeah, I'm good with this. Now then, let's go to actions. You can actually set up a character which is going to speak out to the table, right? So I'm just setting one actor. We have multiple characters over here. Okay, you can choose any. So let's choose. You have a robot here. You can choose a robot, or you have a princess. You have a cave girl. I think I would choose a robot. Let's run. Yeah, he's fine to speak out the tables and all. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good with him. So you can also set his position. Okay. Let's just set actor's position. So move actor one to, so we are setting actor one as robot, right? So move actor one to, so 200 over 200 down. I think this will work out because 200 over 200 down is nothing but the middle of the screen. Okay. So because the canvas size is 400 by 400, so 200 is middle. Yeah, it's good. We can actually increase the size of the robot or you can decrease the size. But He's the only character in our math table generator, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'll just set him um, with a bigger size, right? So let's set actor one size as 1.5 maybe. 1.5 is nothing but 150%, okay? So 100% is its original size, like you saw. So 50% of the size I'm just increasing. Yes, like you can see now, right? I think we can still make him bigger, mostly 2. Let's check. It's double the size. Yeah, it's better, but he's not in the middle just because he's starting off from the top left edge basically. So I'm just gonna change this to 150 over 150 down. Let's check it out. Cool. It's in the middle now, right? So yes, we have set the size, we have set its position. Let's just now start with asking the user about what table he wants, right? So sometimes, let's suppose I want to see 19 table. Maybe my friend wants to see 15 table, right? Maybe you want to see 18th table. Who knows, right? So users are different, and definitely they would like to see or learn on different table, right? So that's why we'll just give a chance to your user to ask, I mean, to just give some input, right? So I'm using ask block here. Ask block is something where you can ask your user about whatever you want to take in, right? So let's suppose I want to say enter a number to generate math table. Okay. So that will be set inside the variable called as answer. Okay. Or you can say you can change, rename this variable, and you can say it's the number variable, right? So I'm just writing num. Okay, to set it to num. So first we are setting the background. We are setting the actor one as robot. Then we are moving the actor one to some position. This is the X position and this is the Y position. If you don't know about X and Y positions and all, please do go back to my channel. Open Applab playlist. In that you have X and Y coordinates video. Please watch that to understand this better about the X coordinates and Y coordinates and these values here, and set actor one size 2. Okay, so basically we set the sizes in from 0 to 1 and more than 1 if you want a bigger size. Okay, so 1 being the 100% of the size, right? So the original size we can say. If you want to double the size like from 100 to 200%, then you can give 2. If you want more, 2.5, 3. 3 means 300% of the original size. It's like that. Okay. Now, then we have ask block to ask your user about entering a number. Let's do that. You can see enter a number to generate math table is given. That's what my question was, right? So if I just say 2 and then you can just click on enter or submit to submit that. Now it is storing that number, but we haven't used the number yet, right? So let's use the number to generate a table. For that, we would be needing a for loop, right? So if you don't know about the for loop, please do go back to my channel uh, and open playlist programming concepts. In that we have discussed about loops and there's for loop there. So here we have a for loop. Okay. So you can actually generate the table from 1 to 10. Mostly we say two ones, 2 and 2 tens, 20 till there we'll be learning, right? So if you wanna do it till 220s something, so 20 till 20, you can do it. But I really don't want 20 numbers and like no one learns till 20, right? So only we'll be starting off with 1 till 10, right? So that's why I'm starting the counter variable with 1 to 10, and I want to count by 1. That means I want to increment each iteration with 1 each time, right? So first it will start off with 1, then 2, 3, 4, so on till 10. Okay. Once it reaches 10, it stops there, right? It doesn't reach or go to 11. Okay. So now it will be stored inside the counter variable, right? So that means counter has 1, then 2, then 3, and so on, like 10. So now we have to multiply this counter variable with the num variable, then it will generate a table, is it not? So whatever I'm speaking about, I'll just show you. So you can make him say something. So actor 1 say, just removing this block, go to math, get this operator, I'm just choosing multiplication operator, removing these two number blocks. Let's go to variables. First, get the counter variables, then get num. So num will be the number entered by the user. Let's suppose I'm entering 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 for the first time. So it will be giving 5 value. Then 5 multiplied by 2, 3, so on, 5 multiplied by 10. Okay. Let's check if it does the same thing or no. So I'm just giving 5 and then enter 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So basically 5 tens 50, right? So it stops there. And yeah, it actually generates the table, right? So if I reset and run again, now let's suppose I say 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, right? Yes, it absolutely generates the math table, right? But if you want to really show that mathematical expression also, yes, you absolutely can do that, right? So to do that, you just have to go to actions. Let's check, do we have any block? I have a join block. I think I can use this. Let's suppose we're placing this here. Let's go to, I need some, so I just need this block. So I'm just getting it from here. So you can actually place it, right? So what I will do, I'll, I will first place variable num, okay, num, and then we have to place a multiplication sign, right? So go to, okay, this one. Let's get this. Here I'll just give a space first, then capital X, then give a space. This is the multiplication sign I want to display. Then I would also like to display counter variable, right? So counter, yes, here, right? And then we also have to display equal to sign, right? So I'm just displaying equal to sign here. Let's give a space, equal to space, then the value, right? So first it will display whatever is inside the num. Num has 5, then multiplication sign, then counter variable. So first time 1, second time 2, so on till 10, then equal to sign, then the multiplication, the product value. Okay, let's check if the same thing happens or not, right? So let's run. Let's write 5 again. 5 multiplied by 1, 3, 4, 5. Absolutely, it is displaying the expression 2, right? So this is how it is. You can actually do this, right? And how you getting this expansion things is you just have to, hold your block there. It will automatically create another space for you. Okay. That's how simple it is to generate a space inside the join block, right? So if you're not really able to do that, just hold it there, wait for a second, it will automatically generate the new space. Okay. And I'm just writing 1 seconds, right? If you feel this is so fast for you to look at, then you can increase the time for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and so on. Okay, let's reset. So it will say this particular thing for 2 seconds, right? And then it will change again, then it will change, so on, right? So let's write 2 this time. 2 ones 2, waiting 2 seconds, then 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 2 fours 8, 2 fives 10, 2 six 12, 2 sevens 13, 2 eights 16, 2 nines 18, and 2 tens 20. Okay, so this is how it is, right? So we actually have displayed the expression. If you want to play some sound each time, absolutely you can do that. Let's reset. Go to actions. So we have play hit sound. You can choose some sound. Okay. So let's choose a wood sound. I think this is not good. Okay, this is okay. Let's write two. Okay, whenever it changes, so it plays the sound. Okay. So that you also know that it is actually generating a new expression there. Okay, I think this is good, but sound is not that good, right? Okay, I think this is better. Okay. So we have only few options in sounds, so you can get anyone whichever you like, right? So this is cool and it is nice, right? I like it. And the robot is also animated, so it looks so pretty and cool while doing this thing, right? And let's check if we can do any other thing. What do you guys say? Do you really want to do any other thing? Yeah, you can show title screen if you want. Before setting the actor, I'll show the title screen saying, Welcome, math tables. Welcome, math tables. Um, it is just reloading by itself. Okay, let's run it. Welcome, math tables. Yeah, and then it sets the image, then it asks for the number. This is cool, yeah. And what else we can do on this? Let's check it out. So these two are almost the same, okay. If you don't want to set the text, you can leave it off. That works out. And I think on this, set random map. Let's check this out. Oh, I don't think this is necessary. But let's see the circle map. Oh, it is setting this kind of a map. You can actually change colors also if you want. Let's just check with blobs, maybe. I think circle is good. Let's also check with the horizontal map. No, this is not good. I like circle. Yeah, this is good. You can make it like a disco also. So if you just set run circle map with color, you can actually give colors, okay? Maybe if I just do this. Yeah, it's something like that. So you can choose any color you like and make it look colorful also. Yeah, this is all. But yes, we actually successfully created this math generator, right? I am not really liking this circle map. I like this better, Trace it and run. Yeah, this is cool, good. Right? If you want to do any other thing, you can absolutely do that. Okay. So this is how we generated a simple math table generator, right? So if you want to add more on this, you can absolutely give me suggestions and you can absolutely implement that. And do let me know what are your implementations on this. Okay. So this is all for today's session. And yeah, I would like to meet you all guys in the next session with another video, right? So till then, you know what you have to do. You just have to watch all my videos in sequence. And actually, I must tell you guys that today's video is a very important video. I mean, it's a milestone again. We have reached 85th video. Okay. So this is today is the 85th video. And I'm so glad and I'm very happy to share this all with you. And after 5 days, we're gonna get another milestone. Wow, that's gonna be 90th video. And not only being 90th video, it's like it will be 3 months then, right? Since I've started this journey. And yeah, I've made a very small folks hub family now, right? And yeah, I would like to see more and more coming up. And let's continue this together, right? Let's continue this journey together and enjoy learning coding. Okay. So this was all about our today's session, guys. Bye bye and have a great day, all. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub.